So this time I will talk again about JSDialogs, but about the recent updates we can expect in the next releases. So first, what we did was we simplified the generated HTML structure from the JSDialogs. So now it is much simpler, and everything can be easier styled or layouted using the CSS. So we have less containers in the containers, and everything should be nicely aligned. We also added new feature to the mobile wizard, which is the bottom panel of the mobile app. Now we have Windows management, so we can show the dialogues which have also the sub-dialogues. And then after we finished doing something in the sub-dialogue, we successfully go back to the parent, what wasn't possible previously. Also, we did big work to convert all the old style pop-ups which were created using the Vex library. This was done by Gokai, so he converted the pop-ups and removed the library. So now we have unified warnings, information pop-ups, or small input dialogues like insert hyperlink. As you can see how it looks on the mobile and on the desktop, it's the same dialogue. All should be now nicely synchronized and look the same like other dialogues. We did some small updates here and there for many widgets, but most important were updates for the TreeView. Now we can have for entries the checkboxes, some icons. We added functionality of sorting the entries by selected column. Also added filtering. This is used mainly by the Zotero integration. We added support for the complex dialogues with nested tabs. So there are tabs inside other tabs. Now we also send smaller messages, so it should be faster, because we don't send large JSON on every tab switch. We added also the new widget like scrolled window, which is some kind of a frame which is aware of how much of the scrolling is already done. So server can show different widgets or different entries inside this frame when the user is scrolling. There were also improvements for the custom widgets which are using drawing areas. We now support typing and also double click, so we can use all these complex text editing features done by edit engine in these custom widgets, like we can display formatted text and also different fields inside. And of course we converted a lot of dialogues from the old style tunneled ones to JSDialogs. And what we can do next? I think we can do some optimizations here and there, because we still send some large messages in some places. So I think we can do something with that. And of course we can do more accessibility work, because now we can access all the fields, labels as a HTML elements, so that will be much easier to do. That's all from me. Thank you.